But he's on the golf course.
Watching the cable news, it was Cheney. Okay,
He was not a fan of Liz Cheney.
He's great. He killed a lot of people with that Iraq war.
That's what I showed the other day.
This guy didn't even look for it.
These are the 8-foot towering towers. I built them years ago, probably over 10 years ago, I think. You have to look back at the YouTube videos because I did build them on YouTube. We got one 18-inch subwoofer. We got an 18-inch passive radiator on this side. We got a passive radiator on this side as well. Same thing on the other tower. There's the passive right there. And the real driver in the front. An SMD 18-inch sub. I usually power my towers with this setup here. My towers, they're a 3-way setup. This bottom amp runs the mids. This amp right here runs the tweeters. This amp right here runs one of the subwoofers. This amp runs the other subwoofer.
Vacation playing golf, and I'm on vacation for playing golf. I mean, that isn't gonna make you nuts. The whole thing just freaks me out.
It wouldn't look at Houston if I was him, because what's going on with Deshaun Watson, he may not be available to those guys. Now,
So everything has their own wire in these setups. And you remember this?
They insist on not getting lessons, and they always lose, and they're always shitty.
So these are held on
So OJ had to weigh in on
with
training
neo-magnets.
and competing in sports.
So they can be turned, they can be taken off, they can be separated, moved around, and then put back together. And if you're wondering how these things have held up over the years, well, I say they held up really well. But I've got a couple of mids that the surround is falling apart. So I'm gonna have to do something about that at some point. But other than that, they still sound good, even with the surrounds coming apart. As you can see right here, we got a little crack, like a little stress crack. It's not from bumping them, for sure. They're just getting old. They sat in the corner of the shop for like 3 years when I first got my CNC machine. They collected a lot of dust. I just brought them over not too long ago again and wiped them down, and they fired right up, and everything is just awesome. But yeah, we got a little crack right here, and this one. This one's got like 3 cracks. And also, if you don't know, these are all separate chambers. These are 7-inch mids, chambered off here, chambered off here, chambered off here. And of course, that top one has its own chamber. Everything's tuned to 60 something hertz, 60 and some change with this arrow port. So yes, my mid bass is ported.
He would be playing from the ladies' team. I played with a lot of ladies.
So what do you think, Chris? Is that a little louder or a lot louder?
That's a lot louder.
All right, we're going to go back to that one. So this is the main thing I've been wanting to do. Is that good or what?
That was awesome.
Okay, go all the way back there.
Yeah.
Tell me when you're ready.
Go.
What was that?
I don't know.
Okay, now I gotta put it. I forgot to turn this on. Right there. kidding. See that? That was awesome. All right. Is that good or what? Huh? Is it loud out there?
Freaking yes.
My doors are all shut though.
Doesn't matter.
All right, well, we're gonna open them for this next clip. I'm gonna have to come back tomorrow on Saturday morning and do that though. That was extremely wild. I haven't heard it like that in a long time. Before I end this video, I must open up the doors and take this camera outside. These speakers aren't even aimed towards the doors. They're gonna be aimed towards the side of the shop. We're gonna see what it sounds like. We did this before with our phones for a little Instagram video. I was wishing I had it on real film, so this time we're gonna do it. But I gotta wait till Saturday morning because, yeah, it's 7:30 on a Thursday right now. Neighbors are not happy. No way. Even with the doors shut still, both sides. All right, it's been a couple of days. Bring the camera outside now. They're not working next door. Shouldn't be bothering anybody. Let's see what this shit sounds like outside the building. Now, by the way, keep in mind that these speakers are aimed to the left. They're aimed that direction. They're not even aimed out the doors at all. So when you hear this, you know these things are about 50 feet inside the shop and aimed the wrong direction. So this is just an idea of what it sounds like when we're out here playing with the towers. Okay, you want to grab this camera and go outside for me? Yep. Yeah. Head out there somewhere. Are you ready?
Yep.
Ready?
Yep.
Go back a little further. Can you hear it out there?
Yeah.
Over towards those doors.
Yep.
It's so loud in here, man. All right.